Mumbai continues to be battered by incessant rainfall, which has led to waterlogging and traffic snarls at several places. The India Meteorological Department has placed Mumbai under an orange alert for July 23rd, indicating heavy to very heavy rain at isolated places. IMD has further issued a yellow alert for July 24th and 25th, indicating heavy rain at isolated places. Based on a request received from the Government of Maharashtra, the Western Naval Command, Mumbai has mobilized flood rescue teams and helicopters to provide assistance to the state administration. Despite adverse weather conditions and widespread inundation in affected areas, a total of 7 naval rescue teams departed by road for deployment to the Ratnagiri and Raigad districts on 22nd July 2021 from Mumbai. Airlift of marooned personnel from Raigad district is also being undertaken. One seeking 42C Halo from INS Shikara, Mumbai departed for rescue at Poladpur, Raigad during early morning hours on 23rd July. The naval flood rescue teams are fully self-sustained and equipped with Gemini rubber bows, loud hailers, first aid kits, life jackets and life buoys. These rescue teams also include specialist naval divers and diving equipments. Additional flood rescue teams are being maintained on a high degree of readiness at Mumbai for immediate deployment should the need arise.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.